For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
On one hand, the novel coronavirus is wreaking havoc in the country. On the other hand, medical apathy during crisis situation is looming large in parts of the country. Yet again, the focus has been shifted to Karnataka and particularly to Silicon City, Bengaluru. During a crisis situation like this, patients are hailing doctors across the world. For patients, right now doctors are nothing but God. But what if the doctors on whom you believe turns into a monster? A Bengaluru hospital is in limelight for a sensitive and a serious issue. In a shocking incident, a doctor allegedly misbehaved with a COVID-19 patient in Victoria Hospital. The incident took place in a trauma care center, a dedicated COVID-19 facility in Victoria Hospital. A COVID-19 patient recounts the incident that took place at 10 p.m. on July 25th. The patient claims that doctor misbehaved with her and touched her inappropriately when he came to her room to check her health. The incident came to light after the woman informed her ordeal to Dr. Asima Banu, Nodal Officer at Trauma Care Center. A sexual harassment case had already been registered with the Vivipuram police on July 30th. FIR has been registered under IPC section 354A against an unidentified doctor in the hospital. Dr. Banu brought the matter to the notice of hospital special officer S. Balaji Pai in the trauma care center. The hospital management has set up a committee for an internal inquiry. It is reported that the hospital management has assured police that they would provide details on the case in a few days. The Vivipuram police are waiting for more details from the hospital to conduct further investigation. A few weeks ago, similar incident had come to the forefront in Delhi. However, in Delhi, the blame was not on the doctor. Assault took place between the two coronavirus patients, while another COVID-19 patient filmed it. Such kind of incidents from hospitals only disturb us and breaks our trust and faith on doctors and hospitals. The hospital management should indeed step up its efforts to avoid such kind of disturbing incidents.